Yes, people, we are back with another banger. Um, it's time. We'll take this on in English. It's been a while. I will try to start releasing my videos in English now, just because I want to reach out to a further audience. But if you have questions in Swedish, just let me know in the comments. And if you have any questions about how I trade, if you have any questions about how I view the market, and if you want something I want to be more specific towards, just let me know in the chat. So this is a weekly analysis for I think it's week 19. I mean, time is moving fast. Let me double check. So we'll enter next week, week 19. So time is moving quickly. And the last week analysis I made on dollars was that I wanted price to respect this H8 fair value gap. It did not. We traded below, and that was my signal that okay, we closed below here, then we did return up, and then what price did was that we failed to respect this level, and when we did disrespect this low, then I knew that price would probably start shifting bearish, right? This was the first confluence, and I said here in Swedish I want to see this level hold. So what I mean is that I don't want any candle to close below. It did, and then we came back up, and then we came down. So definitely my drawn liquidity is this low. This is my drawn liquidity, and I do think that from here that we could honestly see a very weak dollar. We could see dollar probably go further down to this blue area, and we could see a massive drop on the DXY, honestly, and we would then probably see a massive pump on the futures contract. So we'll head down. Now it's a new month, so it means that let's start with the monthly candle, right? Monthly time frame. So we are inside this bullish range. We are inside this bullish range from this low. From these lows to this high. So this is our bullish range that we are currently trading into, or currently trading inside, right? We are consolidating. We see price trying to break above multiple times, one time, twice, and we have also seen price try to push below, but we haven't been able to do that. And one of my key views where I would want to see if price is ready to push down is I would like to see price push above, push up, then see this retreat, then see this continuation to the downside. But at this very moment, we can only see that price is much or less. This is the weekly time frame. We have been consolidating, right? We are taking out sell side, we're taking out buy side. We are currently not respecting some levels, and we could see, like I said, if this low is taken out, how it looks like now is we are currently bearish based on lower time frame analysis. So I am definitely bearish. We haven't closed below this weekly BC, right? I know that, and I would like to see how price behaves once we take out these lows, because I think this is the drawn liquidity. I could see price pushing all the way down here, but We could still see some kind of manipulation once we take out these lows. We could see a push up also, but that's what we want to see. That's then when once price comes to this level, we can see how price behaves, and then we could anticipate, and then that's a whole nother situation, right? So DXY. DXY. So DXY is for this week, I would say bearish, but I do think that we will try to push above here and then to seek further sell liquidity. That's my view. So I can see one of these moves happening. We're pushing maybe up to this blue level or this level, then we could continue down. First TP is definitely these lows, these equal lows. And then we just need to see how it looks. So that's that. Euros, that's DXY. And then if we look at the monthly time frame on this candle, it looks very much like DXY. It hasn't really moved quite a lot. We have entered this fair value gap to the left hand side, as you guys can see. If you were to want to see this, if we draw this, so yeah, so we did take out high, this low, but if you look at the candle bodies, it looks a little bit more bullish, I would say, but it isn't like a one-sided type of entry. We have inversed this fair value gap. We have respected this weekly busy. That weekly busy we have come into, and yeah, we did take out this high, and based on this, it doesn't look very much momentum. We even entered this daily busy and weekly busy. We got this rejection or reaction, I would say, from this level. We have taken out this high, and the truth is, euro for me doesn't look very much, it doesn't look very bullish for me, because we did take out this high, we had this shift. So yeah, liquidity taken out, we had this shift in momentum. So this doesn't look very much bullish for me, I would say. We could maybe see, this is our previous weekly low. So yeah, for me, I will not be in a rush to find entries, but you need all type of confirmations before you enter. That's the honest truth. And this is the same as the DXY, or sorry, the same as 6E. This is 6p, so this is British pound. You can see it to the right. We do have equal lows down here, so that is the truth. And yeah, we could see a push up. Then we need to see how all these pairs are behaving, because this is quite a massive rejection. So yeah, this one is hard because 6C, I had this sniper entry, but 6C looks much more bullish than the rest, even though we do have equal lows down here also. So really we need to see, when you look at it like this, you want to see how price behaves here. Yeah, so, but yeah, for now I would still lean towards bullish on the 6E and 6P based on how the DXY has been behaving. And yeah, we just need to wait and see how it looks. This doesn't look very bullish, but let's see how it behaves, basically. That is the truth. 6A looks also super bullish. We did catch some nice bullish moves the past week, even though we also lost some very much avoidable trades. Sometimes I forced some trades, and yeah, that is basically that. So we do have this range at this moment that we want to see price respect. If we don't respect that, then there's a high chance that we could move to lower levels. So yeah, that's basically my week analysis. Gold, this one is interesting just by looking. Gold is just by looking. How does this one look? Yeah, this one still, I would say this one still looks bearish, and I would still be bearish as long as we respect this high, right? All of this, I would say, is like internal range. also this drawn liquidity. I would like to maybe look for some longs from this level. We'll just need to wait and see. I could potentially look for some longs for some gold setups to this level and this level, to at least equilibrium. We'll just need to wait and see. If we get the confirmations to look for some longs, we'll do that. But overall, I'm still bearish on gold. So I will switch it to red, and then we'll take it from there. MQ is just, I don't know, NQ I'm not touching it at this moment. It's so goddamn bad. There is someone likes it. For me, I don't see this one clear at all. So that's it. This is my weekly analysis for week 19. I hope you have a fabulous week, and yeah, let's kill the market.